One of the greatest scientific feats was putting a man on the moon. The one largely responsible for it, German scientist and creationist Wernher Von Braun.
Game on!
Hitler tried intimidating him in developing rockets for warfare, jailing him for refusing, but Von Braun's heart was always into space exploration. And so when the war ended and the space race began, his dream was realized when the United States hired him to direct the Space Flight Center of NASA. Von Braun and his team developed the rocket that sent our first astronaut to space, as well as the Saturn I, Saturn 1B, Saturn V, and planned all three manned space programs, Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo. Von Braun avidly concluded that scientific advances provided evidence of intelligent design, writing extensively on the subject. In one of his most famous letters ever written and read before the California State Board of Education, Von Braun wrote, "The scientific method does not allow us to exclude data which lead to the conclusion that the universe, life, and man are based on design. To be forced to believe that everything in the universe happened by chance would violate the very objectivity of science itself." He'd go on to say that the more we learn about God's creation, the more I am impressed with the orderliness and unerring perfection of the natural laws that govern it. In this perfection, man, the scientist, catches a glimpse of the Creator and his design for nature. So for those who claim a creationist cannot possibly be a scientist, you might want to think again. Thousands of scientists in the highest level of their fields, unimpeded by secular intimidation, and who have done their own homework, believe that the heavens are telling of the glory of God, emphatically believing in the same creation we see explained in Genesis 1.
That's the fact, Jack!